Experiencing a frozen or black screen on your Volvo XC40's infotainment system? This section clarifies the two primary reset methods, a reboot and a factory reset. A reboot is a temporary fix for minor glitches. To perform a reboot, press and hold the power button on the screen or steering wheel controls for 10 to 15 seconds until the system restarts. This clears temporary memory without erasing your personal data or settings. On the other hand, a factory reset is a more drastic measure, wiping the system to its original settings, erasing all apps, settings, and paired devices. Use this if a reboot doesn't resolve the issue. If a reboot doesn't solve the problem, you might need to perform a factory reset. The steps vary slightly depending on your XC40 model year. Before proceeding, back up any important data using the Volvo app or a USB drive, as this process will erase everything. For pre-2023 models, navigate to Settings, then System, then Reset Options, then Factory Reset, and confirm with your PIN if set. For 2023 plus Google integrated models, go to Google Automotive Services, then Settings, then System, then Advanced, then Reset Options, then Erase all data. The reset can take 10 to 20 minutes, and the vehicle's ignition must be on. Remember, factory resets should be a last resort, and persistent issues might require professional service.